This has got great features. Look at how thick this is, and this is a USB 3.0. This is how it looks. Coming to the functionalities listed over here. Today I'll be unboxing the Lenovo 700 Multimedia keyboard. I'm using it to replace a generic keyboard that I have. I bought it for around 11.5 pounds, and it usually retails at 55 pounds, and there was a great deal on it. That's the reason I bought it. This has got great features. It says there are 7 user programmable adaptive hotkeys, which are over here from here to here, and then you have the regular media buttons as well, along with the full keyboard layout. And this is the UK version. It also provides you with a USB extension. That's one USB 3.0 and one USB 2.0 pass-through ports to connect with peripherals. This is one of the reasons that I bought it for. So this is the keyboard. This weighs closer to 2 kilos, and you can see the cable is very thick, compared to the regular cables. And it has the two ends of USB right here. So in the box, they have thoughtfully provided different language versions of the labels over here, so you can stick this based on your language on top of your keyboard. So this is very thoughtful gesture, and we do have some documentation that came along with it. The keyboard comes with a detachable palm rest, and this is the travel of the keyboard compared to my previous keyboard. So this sounds more solid, and it is pretty deep travel as well. The cables of these, look at how thin and frail this is, and look at how thick this is. And it has got two ends coming out of here, and I'm pretty sure this is the keyboard USB, and this is the pass-through, and this is a USB 3.0. This is how it looks on the front. It has a keyboard or mouse port over here, and then the high-speed USB 3.0 right over here. So that's the pass-through port. I have turned the keyboard around, and I have also set up the palm rest, and now you can see that there are two heights of keyboard razors given. Solid and rigid, this rubber feet over here, so it looks very solidly made. Functionality of the ports. I'm going to connect a phone to the regular port first, and then clearly shows not enough power on the USB hub. So there is not enough power coming in. Maybe this is only enough to power a mouse or a keyboard. To the other port, which is the high-speed pass-through. So it has recognized the phone. So this is working as expected, which means that this port right here, which is the high-speed port, is drawing enough power from these thick cables. And I have also attached these two thick cables to a the regular USB hub, USB ports, and not the high-speed ones. I have one high-speed port over here, but I haven't connected it to that. I have only connected it to the regular USB ports. Still, it is able to sustain enough power to power a phone over here. That is very good news. Coming to the functionalities listed over here, I really like how this desktop gets locked by clicking this. This is lock desktop. Look at my desktop. It just got locked. And the next functionality is the calculator. I clicked it, the calculator opened. And now the third one is internet. I clicked it and a Brave browser opens. And then email, it's asking me what to use to open that. That's fine. And then I have checked that my documents, word processor, and spreadsheet are not functioning right now. So probably I need to map this. This is what they mean, that I need to map these. My documents, word processor, spreadsheet, and email. But these three work absolutely fine. And then coming to the multimedia part of the functionality, I just will press play now. Pause, and then play, stop. Let's say next, play. So all of these are working, next, previous, everything else, and then the volume also works. I checked it. It's very comfortable to type, and it has a palm rest and everything that you can ask for in a keyboard. And I got this at 12 pounds. Except for one thing that I need to get used to here is I'm used to the US layout, but this has a UK layout. There's the at symbol over here that we see. We don't see it here. The at symbol appears here. And, the enter, it's like an L, and here the enter is an inverted L. There's a pound symbol here, instead of the hash that we see. So now I need to get used to this instead of the US version keyboard. So a little bit of a learning curve there. And thank you for watching. Hope you liked it. Please share and like this video. Subscribe to my channel. Thank you.